Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive and share them using a link. This is one of the easiest ways to share documents, photos, videos, and other files online with friends, classmates, coworkers, or clients. Before we begin, here's a quick concept. Google Drive is a cloud storage platform that allows you to save files online and access them from any device. Instead of sending large files directly through email or messaging apps, you can simply upload them to Google Drive and share a link. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in to your Google account if needed. Once you're inside Google Drive, click the New button on the top left side of the screen. From the menu, choose File Upload if you want to upload a single file, or Folder Upload if you want to upload an entire folder. Now, select the file from your computer and click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading the file automatically. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file appear inside your Google Drive. Now let's share it using a link. Right-click the uploaded file and click Share. A sharing window will appear. Here you can either add specific people by entering their email addresses or create a shareable link. To create a link, click Copy Link. Before copying, make sure to check the access settings. By default, the file may be restricted, meaning only certain people can open it. If you want anyone with the link to access the file, click the drop-down menu and change it to Anyone with the link. You can also choose permissions such as Viewer, which allows people to view the file, Commenter, which allows comments, or Editor, which allows others to make changes. Choose the permission level you want, then click Copy Link. Now you can paste the link into emails, messages, social media, or online forms. Anyone with access will be able to open the file directly from the link. Here's a useful tip. If you're sharing important files, avoid giving editor access unless absolutely necessary. Viewer access is usually the safest option. Another helpful tip is to organize your files into folders before sharing them. This makes your Google Drive cleaner and easier to manage. You can also stop sharing at any time by reopening the share settings and removing access or disabling the link. And that's it. That's how to upload files to Google Drive and share them using a link. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.